Welcome to our channel. If you want to transfer your iCloud photos to Google Photos, follow these step-by-step instructions to migrate your photo library seamlessly. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to the Apple iCloud website. Log in with your Apple ID credentials. Step 2. Click on the Photos icon to access your iCloud photo library. You'll see all your stored photos and albums. Step 3. Select the photos you want to transfer by clicking the checkmark icon in the top right corner, then choosing individual photos or entire albums. You can also use Select All to choose everything at once. Step 4. Click the Download button, cloud icon with a downward arrow, at the top of the page to save the selected photos to your computer. Step 5. Open your web browser and go to Google Photos at photos.google.com. Sign in with your Google account credentials. Step 6. Click the Upload button in the top right corner and select Computer from the drop-down menu. Step 7. Navigate to the folder where you saved your iCloud photos, select the files, and click Open to begin uploading them to Google Photos. Step 8. Wait for the upload process to complete. You can monitor progress in the Upload status bar at the top of the page. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.